Hello friends, welcome to our channel AGRICO'S World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from horticulture. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and many other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now, let's move on into our first question. Pungency in onion is due to the presence of which substance? The pungency in onion is due to the presence of allyl propyl disulfide, whereas the pungency in garlic is due to the presence of diallyl disulfide. Internal necrosis of anola is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? The internal necrosis of anola is due to the deficiency of boron. The National Research Center for Medicinal and Aromatic Plants is located at which place? The National Research Center for Medicinal and Aromatic Plants is located at Anand of Gujarat. AGRI.EXAMS is the variety of which crop? AGRI.EXAMS is the variety of tomato. Allicin is the antibacterial substance of which of the following? Allicin is the antibacterial substance which is present in garlic. What is the late maturing variety of cauliflower? The late variety of cauliflower are Pusa Snowball and Pusa Himjyoti. Both of these are the late maturing varieties of cauliflower. Pillow disease of cucumber is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? The calcium deficiency in cucumber leads to the pillow disease. What is the powdery mildew resistant variety in watermelon? Arka Manik is the powdery mildew resistant variety of watermelon. Watermelon fruit contains how much percentage of water? 92 to 95% of water is present in watermelon. Poinsettia is the variety of which of the following? Poinsettia is the variety of cucumber. Brown heart in radish is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? The brown heart in radish is due to the deficiency of boron. What is the day neutral and spineless variety of okra? Pusa Savani is the day neutral and spineless variety of okra. What is the determinate variety of tomato? Punjab Chuhara is the determinate variety of tomato and it is mostly used for processing. Phomopsis blight resistant variety of brinjal is? Phomopsis blight is caused by Phomopsis vexans and the Phomopsis blight resistant variety of brinjal is Pusa Bhairav. The regular bearing variety of mango which is also free from malformation is? Sai Sugandha is the regular bearing variety of mango and it is free from malformation. Sai Sugandha is a hybrid and it is a cross between Totapuri and Kesar. Banana fruits can be stored for 3 weeks at how much percentage of humidity? Banana fruits can be stored at 85 to 95% of humidity at 13 degrees centigrade for 3 weeks. What is the indicator plant for Tristeza virus? The indicator plant for Tristeza is Kaxi lime and it is called as Citrus aurentifolia. It is used as an indicator because it is highly susceptible for Tristeza. Hollow stem of cauliflower is due to excessive use of which of the following? Hollow stem of cauliflower is due to the excessive use of nitrogen. The incidence of clubroot of cabbage is 100% at what pH? The incidence of clubroot of cabbage is maximum at 5.7 pH and clubroot is caused by Plasmodiaphora brassicae. What is the trap crop used for diamond black moth? The trap crop which is used for diamond black moth is mustard as it attracts 80 to 90% of diamond black moths. Moving on to the next question, what is the high yielding hybrid variety of brinjal? Arka Navneet is the high yielding hybrid variety of brinjal. What is the pigment that is present in brinjal? Anthocyanins are the color producing pigments which are present in brinjal. Arka Abai is the variety of? Arka Abai is the variety of okra and some of the other varieties of bendi are Arka Abai, Arka Anamika, Pusa Makmali, Hissar and Unnat. Kanji, that is a beverage, is prepared from which of the following? Kanji is a beverage which is prepared from black carrots. What is the white flower variety of rose? Tushar is the white flower variety of rose. What is the quarantine pest of mango? The quarantine pest of mango is stone weevil, which is caused by Sternochetus mangiferae. Leaf scorching in mango is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? Leaf scorching of mango is due to the deficiency of potassium. What is the diploid variety of banana? Usually the cultivated banana are triploids, but the diploid variety of banana is lady finger. Leathery rind is a special kind of fruit skin which is present in. Leathery rind is a special kind of fruit skin and it is present in citrus, and the leathery rind is called as Hesperidium. Gulkand is prepared by mixing petals and sugar in the ratio of. Gulkand is a sweet preserve of rose petals and it is prepared by mixing rose petals and sugar in the ratio of 1:1. Vegetables can be processed at a temperature of how many degrees centigrade? Vegetables can be processed at a temperature of 115 to 121 degrees centigrade. Heating of fruits and vegetables above 100 degrees centigrade is called as. Heating of fruits and vegetables above 100 degrees centigrade is called as sterilization, and sterilization process kills both beneficial and harmful microbes. What is the red color variety of radish? The red colored variety of radish is round cherry belly. Round cherry belly is the red colored variety of radish. Chlorosis in cauliflower is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? Chlorosis in cauliflower is due to the deficiency of magnesium. What is the nursery area required for 1 hectare onion crop in square meters? The nursery area required for 1 hectare crop is 500 square meters. 10 to 12 kgs of seed is required per hectare and the number of bulbs required is 750 to 1000 kgs for 1 hectare of onion crop. Which variety of mango is resistant to anthracnose? The mango anthracnose is caused by Coleotrichum gliosporoides, and the variety which is resistant to mango anthracnose is Edward. Fruits can be processed at a temperature of how many degrees centigrade? Usually the fruits are processed at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. The famous Mughal garden is located at Pinjore in Haryana, and it was built by Fateh Khan. What is the commercial method of propagation of rose? In the options, all of these are used for the propagation of the rose, but tea budding is the most commonly used commercial method of propagation in rose. Which variety of mango is suitable for long distance transport? Neelam is the variety of mango which is suitable for long distance transport. It is a regular bearer, so 2 crops can be taken in a year. Which flower is known as Queen of Flowers? Rose is known as Queen of Flowers. It is a symbol of beauty and also the national flower of England. Red color of onion is due to which of the following? Anthocyanins are responsible for red color of onion, whereas the yellow color of onion is due to quercetin. Grey spike of oat is due to the deficiency of which of the following nutrient? Grey spike of oat is due to the deficiency of manganese, and also manganese is responsible for pahala blight of sugarcane. Moving on to the next question. First dwarf variety of pea is? The first dwarf variety of pea is Aparna. The famous rose garden, that is Zakir Hussein's rose garden, is located at which of the following place? The famous rose garden is located at Chandigarh. Gladiolus is propagated by which of the following? The gladiolus is propagated by Combs. What is the thornless variety of rose? The thornless variety of rose is Pusa Mohit and Suchitra. Pusa Mohit and Suchitra are the thornless varieties of rose. Protein percent in pea is? When coming to the protein percent in pea, it differs from the dry seeds as well as from the tender pods. In dry seeds, it is about 25%, and in tender pods, it is 7.2%. Maturity of pea is measured by which of the following instrument? The maturity of the pea is measured by dendrometer. The variety of muskmelon which has excellent transport quality is Arka Rajhans variety of muskmelon has excellent transport quality, and DMDR2 Pusa Rasraj Arka Jeet, all of these are the varieties of muskmelon. Which variety of bottle gourd gives the highest yield? In the given options, Samrat variety of bottle gourd gives the highest yield. Early maturing variety of pea is the early maturing variety of pea is Swarnareka, whereas extra early maturing variety of pea is Harbhajan. Where is the National Botanical Garden located in India? The National Botanical Garden is located at Lucknow. Japanese garden is which type of garden? There are three types of styles of gardening, that is formal style, informal style and freestyle. And Japanese garden comes under informal type of gardening. Under formal style, Mughal gardens, Persian gardens and Pinjore gardens are present, whereas in freestyle, rose gardens and English gardens are present. What is the TSS percent of jelly? The TSS percent of jelly is greater than 65% and it is transparent, whereas in jam, the TSS percent is 68.5 and is opaque. What is the Japanese art of growing miniature trees and shrubs by extreme dwarfing? The art of growing miniature trees and shrubs by extreme dwarfing is known as bonsai. Heating of fruits and vegetables above 100 degrees Celsius is called as. The heating of fruits and vegetables above 100 degrees Celsius is sterilization, and sterilization process kills both harmful and beneficial microbes. Moving on to the next question. What is the TSS percent of squash? The TSS percent of squash is 40%. What is the pectin percent in jelly? The pectin percent is necessary for the jelly formation and the pectin percent is 0.5 to 1%, and it is tested by alcohol test and gel meter. What is the powdery mildew resistant variety of pea? The powdery mildew of pea is caused by Ersife polygony, and Arka Ajit and Rachana are the varieties of pea which are resistant to powdery mildew. What is the art of training plants into different shapes? The art of training plants into different shapes is known as topiary, and the plants which are used in topiary are evergreen. The best plant for topiary is Cleodendron inerma. The shrubs planted on boundary for fencing are known as. When the low growing perennial plants are grown as border, they are called as edges. But when the shrubs are planted on a boundary for providing the fencing, those are called as hedges. Bougainvillea, Karonda, Mehendi, Cleodendron are some of the examples of hedges, and these are useful for ornamentation and for protection. Plan is asymmetrical in which style of gardening? In informal style, the plan is asymmetrical. It reflects the natural beauty, and the example of informal style is Japanese garden. Which process kills both beneficial and harmful microbes? Sterilization is the process which kills both harmful and useful microorganisms, and heating takes place above 100 degrees centigrade. Moving on to the next question. Rashtrapati garden is a type of which garden? Rashtrapati garden is a type of English garden. Presence of rockery is a feature of which garden? The presence of rockery is an important feature of English garden. Which of the following is made by clear sweetest juice of fruit pulp? Cordial is made by clear sweetest juice of fruit pulp, and it contains 25% of fruit juice. What is the TSS percent of jam? The TSS percent of jam is 68.5% and jam is opaque. What is the killing of harmful microorganisms called as? The killing of only the harmful microorganisms is known as pasteurization, which takes place at 85 to 90 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Pasteurization kills only the harmful microbes, whereas sterilization kills both the beneficial and harmful microbes. What is the sugar percentage of jam? The sugar percentage is added according to the acid content. Approximately, the sugar content in jam is 68.5%. Which of the following is a formal type of garden? The formal type of garden has a symmetrical plan, and the examples of formal type of garden is Mughal gardens, Persian gardens and Pinjore gardens. So the answer is all the above. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AGRICO'S World for more content related to agriculture.